Alright, good day ladies and gentlemen. So basically I'll be teaching you a very powerful strategy in this video. Today is the 29th day of December 2024. So we have just a few days to go and I'm excited, okay? So happy new year to you guys in advance. Alright, so basically for this strategy, unfortunately if you are not a Nasdaq trader, this strategy is not really ready for you because you know it's a US tech strategy. But aside from being a US tech strategy, depending on your broker, okay, so you could be on your broker, you could see it as NAS 100. On some other brokers, you see it as NQ, that's NASDAQ. On some other brokers, is US tech, okay. As you can see, it's US tech on my own broker. So what I want to talk about is the fact that even if you are not a US tech or NASDAQ trader, okay, you can just look for a pair that trends a lot. If you are a currency trader, look for a pair that trends a lot, meaning if it's moving in one direction, it stays in that direction for a while before changing direction, okay? So there are pairs that are like that, okay? They trend most of the time, all right? So if you can find such a pair, then you can use this strategy that I'm about to teach you, on that particular pair. But this one I'm explaining right now is US tech, okay? So I'm using US tech for this explanation. So basically, all you just need to do, if you look at US tech generally, let me delete this horizontal line. If you look at US tech, let me zoom out. What do you notice? You notice that it trends a lot. It moves in a particular direction for a long time. If it wants to go down, it goes down for a long time. If it wants to go up, it goes up for a long time. It just keeps going like that. So what you do is you jump down to the 1 minute time frame. You can see this 1 minute time frame. So you are trying to reduce, like you are trying to get a very detailed entry, okay? Whereby if we enter, we know that yes, it's gonna take us far. Okay, so what you just need to do is you look for a break of structure. Just look for a break of structure. Let me get an horizontal line, just one. You look for a break of structure. Once a candle has broken, that structure, you're entering your trade in the what's it called? In the direction of that break. So you can see we have a swing eye right here, a lower eye. Okay, market was moving downwards. Let me move this a bit, okay? So market was moving downwards. This is 1 minute time frame. Excuse me. So market was moving downwards, right? Then you had a lower high. It was giving us lower high, lower low. Sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, right? So you just wait for a break of structure like that. Once the structure has been broken and the candle closes below, enter immediately. Okay, so you have to enter immediately. Enter your sell trade immediately that structure got broken. If let's say when you came to the chart you were somewhere here also, alright, if you were somewhere there, once this break happened, enter your sell trade. Your stop loss should be above the last swing high, because you can see price retraced but it did not go above that last swing high, so your stop loss will be above that last swing high. So if it happens to be here, let's say somewhere here, what do you have happening? It breaks, you would have entered your sell trade immediately. You're not waiting for a test. Enter your sell trade, place your stop loss above that last swing high. You can target 1 to 2, okay? Or since this moves, in a crazy manner, it's Nasdaq, you can get to 1 to 2, take 50% profit off, then allow the rest ride, okay? So basically, let's say you even came here, somewhere here, and you spotted this low right here, okay? So if you spotted that low, look at this candle, it broke and closed below that low. So where is your swing high? Up here. That is where you place your stop loss. You won't be right all the time, okay? But when you do, catch the move, it's gonna pay for any loss, small loss you would have encountered, okay? As you can see, I've not even encountered any loss with all this pattern I'm showing. So you would have entered. Once this candle closes below, enter your sell trade, place your stop loss above that. Look at this, you would have caught this crazy move to the upside, sorry, to the downside, okay? So let's see, consolidation is taking place here. There is no reasonable break in any direction yet, so you wait for the break, okay? So after the consolidation, we had a break to the upside. If you had taken this break to the upside, you would have been stopped out. Let me just give you this extra hint. If you notice the market has been moving in an upwards direction or a downwards direction for a while, okay, once you have your first change of character, that's not when you should look to enter. If I were to carry out this trade myself now, what I would do, market has been selling, right? Then it came here and it looked as though market broke structure in the upward direction. I won't be looking to enter a buy trade from here yet. Why? Because the overall trend that was in the market before now was a downtrend. So just a single break of structure in the upward direction is not enough to convince me, because it could be a manipulative move like what just played out here. It's a manipulative move. So if you were just blindly following the rules without applying your other knowledge of Forex, you would have gotten cooked right here. Okay? Because you would say, oh, this looks as if it broke a lower high. Okay? So you want to enter a buy trade. Of course, it moved up a bit, but it not even give you up to 1-to-1 before you got stopped out by these downward movements. So I'll be more confident to enter sell trade since the overall trend is downwards right now. So if it wants to switch to upwards, it has to give me at least 2 break of structure in the upward direction. Okay, so I need a change of character first, then I need a break of structure in that same direction before I can start looking for what? Looking for buy trade. So still, you see, I have a sell trade right here. Look at this. So once one of these candles close below, I'm entering a sell trade. You can see the way it pushed down, stop loss a few pips above that. Okay, so basically that's just how this particular system works. Okay, so if you got any value from the video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.